In a world of an ever-changing and volatile financial markets landscape, the Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe has introduced a cutting-edge financial instrument that combines stability and convenience. The ZiG, a gold-backed digital token, and now unveils an added feature, the ability to transact in this instrument. 1. As a bank customer, you approach your bank to buy ZiG tokens denominated in milligrams, payable in Zim dollars or US dollars. 2. Minimum purchase of ZiG by individuals is $10 US and corporates is $5,000 US or the Zimbabwean dollar equivalent. 3. Once ZiG has been purchased, the holder will, in addition to their existing bank account, now have a ZiG account denominated in milligrams of gold. 4. The bank client can now transact using their ZiG account through swipe and online payments. 5. A holder can keep ZiG balances for transacting or store of value purposes with a redemption option in US dollars or Zim dollars depending on their preference after a 180-day vesting period. 6. Goods and services will also be priced in ZiG. Tap into the power of ZiG, the Zimbabwe Gold. ZiG. Stability, security, and convenience.